we can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas time.
Hello beautiful people, hope you're all having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. It's a bridal makeup transformation on a dark skin. First of all, I went in and cleaning her face with a wiper, and then I applied the moisturizer and Zickel sweat block. This is my first time using Zickel sweat block. So I applied the moisturizer underneath her eyes, so her eyes is not going to crease, and then I blend it in. So I am just applying the moisturizer all over her face, just to keep her skin hydrated, underneath her eyes, her chin. After moisturizer, I went in with a primer, me on primer. I applied it all over her face and make sure I didn't apply the primer underneath her eyes. And then I used Lady V Beauty foundation to get her shade because she's really dark, and I blended it with a beauty blender. You just have to make your beauty blender a little bit wet, and then I pat it into her skin. I make sure I blend the foundation into her skin, and then for highlighting I am using Early Pro concealer, 2 shades way lighter than her shade and a shade close to her skin tone, and then I'm blending it with my same blender. I make sure I blend the concealer underneath her eyes. I took my time because Early Pro concealer dries quickly. Hope you like it here. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share. This can also be used as an everyday makeup tutorial. After blending the concealer underneath her eyes for highlighting, I set her face with the Lady V Beauty palette. I use a shade close to her skin tone. I use the shade lighter than her skin tone. That is it. So I just applied it at the same place I highlighted with the concealer. I made sure I just set her face. This is pro setting, and then I went ahead to bake using the airborne setting powder. It's a white setting powder, like a translucent powder. I applied it underneath her eyes. After setting her face with the airborne powder, I went ahead to contour underneath her cheekbone using the Lady V Beauty powder palette. I used a dark shade, and also the bridge of her nose. In between the bridge of her nose, I also contour it using the Lady V Beauty palette. For eyeshadow, I am going in with Zickel Slay Queen eyeshadow palette. I want to use something really natural and settle, just a natural settle look, but then busy. I will be using a little bit of glitter, so I'm using a brownie shade and an orange shade, and then I went ahead and applied glitter in between her eyes. I kept blending and applied a dark eyeshadow at the outer corners of her eyes. So I use Zaron Cosmetic Gel Eyeliner to line her waterline and also her upper lash line. Then I went ahead and applied a mascara. And I also went in with a silver eyeliner underneath her lower lash line. I just want something busy and yet natural, and I went in with Mega mascara. I went ahead and fixed her lashes off camera. For her eyebrow, I'm using Davis eye pencil in the shade 03. It's a very dark shade. So I'm just creating a line underneath her brow bone and also above her brow bone, and then I went in with stroke. I am trying to create a feather brow, but then I went in with stroke. So after her brows, I dust out the excess powder on her face using Lady V powder palette. I dust out the excess powder all over her face, and then I applied powder on her face. Her face is lighter than her body, so I had to apply powder all over her neck and her body because her neck is way dark. And then for lip, I am going in with Adventure gel liner to line her lip as a lip liner, and then I am using Ellie Pro concealer and a nude lipstick. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more videos. I also create girls talk, story time, feminine hygiene vlogs. I am applying the Ellie Pro concealer all over her lip and I'm blending it in. Concealer and foundation serves as the best nude lipstick, and then to make it a little bit pink, I will be adding the nude lipstick, but then it's perfect this way. After applying the nude lipstick, I am going to gloss it up with some gloss, natural gloss. And I'm using Zickel Glow Kit as a highlighter on her cheekbone, the bridge of her nose, her forehead and her jaw. This highlighter is popping. To make it pop more, and her shoulder as well, I am using Blossom Cosmetic highlighter, just a little bit of it on her skin, her collarbone, just a little bit on her collarbone. Went ahead and styled her hair behind the camera, wore her jewelry, and this is the finished look. Isn't this amazing? Yeah, I went ahead and also tied gele just to create the traditional look. So thank you for watching. I hope you find this video educating. Thank you for being here. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye.